I think this is the best way to like prompt your way into building a website, and you don't even have to like clean up code or anything. This is not vibe coding. This is actually better than vibe coding. So I just built this website with ChatGPT, and it was just a small prompt. I'm just going to give this a prompt to build a website for me. Your website is ready to be generated. Click here to open it. Well, let's go. So I just got taken to Doric, and I can see the website being built right in front of me. The website for a coffee shop, but it has this weird background right here of the. I want to change this, okay? I want to add like an image of a coffee mug right on the background, and I can just search it up and find literally 100 pictures of coffee mugs right here. It's gonna click on insert, and this adds the image to the background of my website. And this is really fast compared to like any other website builder that I've used, and I would guarantee you that it's really good. So let me show you how I did this with ChatGPT. This is pretty interesting. You go to ChatGPT, click on Explore, and use this GPT called Doric AI Website Builder, the one that we built. Okay. Now over here, once you click on this, you have to just give it a prompt like the one I gave right here. Create a minimal website for a coffee shop in Bali and all that stuff. Then it asks you a bunch of questions, right? It asks you like this bunch of questions, and you say, hey, this is how you do it. And once it gathers enough information, it says, got it, your website is ready to be generated. Click here to open it. And once I clicked on this, it opened this window, the one that you saw earlier, right? It was generating a website for me, and this is the result that we got. So this is entirely for free, and if you're building websites for whoever, for yourself or your clients, I think this is the best way to like prompt your way into building a website, and you don't even have to like clean up code or anything. This is not vibe coding. This is actually better than vibe coding, because once you generate a website, you don't have to debug or clean so many things. You just have to like change a few things, click a few things here and there, right? Like this color combination right here, you just click on this, you change the color a little bit, right? This is the magic of the AI website builder that we're building right here. So try it right now, try this GPT for free, and let me know your feedback.